Changzhou Mingtaishen Carbide Corporation Limited is a professional manufacturer which are mainly engaged in carbide end mills, carbide drills, carbide rods, carbide inserts, special cutter, saw blade, and other carbide products. MTS Tools has rich carbide products production experience and 2 complete production lines in Changzhou and Sichuan, whose annual output is around 2 million pieces. MTS Tools products have been widely used in machining, aerospace, automobile, and other precision manufacturing areas. MTS Tools are popular and have many agencies over the world, for example, in Germany, Italy, Poland, Turkey, Thailand, Russia, and India. Also, MTS Tools cooperate with local institutions to train our own professional, educated teams and complete company culture. For enhancing our international competitiveness, we hired a number of domestic well-known scholars and experts to improve the ability of researching and developing new technology and actively participate in various domestic and international exhibitions to improve the awareness worldwide, adhering to our concept, integrity first, keep excellent, pursue higher. MTS Tools offer the good quality and competitive prices to our customers and contribute own strength to metal processing industries around the world. Thanks for your time to visit MTS Tools website. Contact us and we will never let you down. We are waiting for your letter.